Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the status bar from appearing on File Explorer on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result, should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then go down and select File Explorer options. Now you want to select the View tab, and then scrolling down, there should be something that says Show Status Bar. Go ahead and uncheck that, and then select Apply and OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.